This is everybody's business. We should all collaborate, come together, and ensure that everybody is protected. We at the level of the National Assembly, I wish to report that the Health Committee went on a conducted tour to see the preparedness of the health authorities along the borders and also at the airport. They made their recommendations, which has been forwarded to the Ministry of Health for them to take action and improve on what they have discovered along the borders. The minister himself was at the National Assembly and gave us an update, and we're very happy that he responded to the questions that the honorable members also raised, still touching on the virus. We hope and pray that everything will be over and that we don't have any more positive cases in the Gambia or all over the world. The best precaution is personal hygiene, constant hand washing, avoiding crowds, gatherings, handshakes, and hugging, which we omitted. I think, and also cover the mouth when sneezing with an elbow. That is what we have been advised by health authorities, and we're appealing to everybody to adhere to the advice given by the health authorities. The members of the assembly will encourage them to go back to their constituencies and do more sensitization so that they will know what the virus is all about and how to take preventive measures and what they should do in case they suspect somebody. Since last week, we have put in place measures that would allow anybody coming in to wash their hands properly according to the advice given. And let's not also forget the nails. I think it's also important. Those of us with brushes, or those who have small nail brushes, can use it, but in the absence of that, the hands can be rubbed properly and then rinsed with clean water. This would avoid any germs that one may have come into contact with whilst coming to the assembly. Thank you. And after the washing, just wipe with tissue paper. Thank you. And disposal is also very important. Dispose of it and then use a sanitizer.